Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is paramount. It is pronounced paramount, and it is spelt P-A-R-A-M-O-U-N-T. Think para like paragraph, and then mount like mountain. Paramount means more important than anything else. For example, you could say it was paramount that we found water when we were lost in the desert. The word paramount comes from the Old French Paramount, meaning above. While paramount does not literally mean above today, it means something that is higher in importance than anything else, or above everything else, so it does have a similar meaning. Have you seen the word paramount before? Maybe you've seen it before the start of a film in the cinema. Paramount Pictures have helped create many family films in recent years, and you might have seen a few of the following: Sonic the Hedgehog, Transformers, The Avengers, Kung Fu Panda, and How to Train Your Dragon. These are all Paramount films. How many Paramount films have you seen? Paramount is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, it was of paramount importance that I took my medicine and got well again. Paramount is defined in the dictionary as more important than anything else or supreme. Paramount has some synonyms, and those include outstanding, predominant, preeminent, ascendant, capital, cardinal, chief, foremost, and others. Paramount synonyms include outstanding, predominant, preeminent, ascendant, capital, cardinal, chief, and foremost. Antonyms include inferior, unimportant, last, least, less, lesser, lowest, and minor. See if you can work out what the paramount event in your day is today. Is it going to school and getting out of bed? Or it could be seeing your friends. Depends. What are your priorities? What is the key event? What is the most important event for you today? Either way, impress your parents by using a new word, paramount. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.